Hi, hello, Chairman.
Finally.
Yes, finally. Been looking forward to this.
Yes. And we're rushing everything in Rizal for your tennis.
Oh,
Yeah, we started already. We're adding 2,000 chairs. Because if we just have 300 chairs, people will get angry. Where are your parents?
this is my...
Hey, how are you?
Hello, how are you, Chairman?
Hello, sir. Good friends with
Nolly.
Oo nga eh, sabi niya, he told me.
First cousin.
Ay, talaga? Okay, wow.
Small world. Okay,
Thank you for joining us.
Nako, thank you for having us.
Okay.
Thank you for
Let's
having
have a
us.
photo first before. Dito tayo siguro. Alter. Yeah. Alright. Gitna na ba?
A little.
Okay.
Konti.